Hello, I'm Vadim Kotelnikov, a passionate and relentless creator of soft innovations that help talents, businesses, and economies flourish. I pioneered eCoach, Inaball, and Inompic games. My eCoach inspires entrepreneurial creativity and holistic innovation. Inaball is an entrepreneurial simulation game that helps turn disruptive ideas to successful ventures. Inompic games turn the Earth to a planet of loving creators. I believe that what I do is my life mission.
I have a difference to make.